Have you ever wondered why some YouTubers sound so crystal clear while others struggle with echo and background noise? The secret often comes down to the microphone. And in 2025, having the right one can completely level up your content. Let's explore the top 5 mics that are changing the game for creators this year. Want to know the latest price? Just hit the link in the description below. Number 5. Fifine K688 Podcast Microphone Kit. The Fifine K688 CT is a versatile microphone kit designed for podcasters, streamers, and content creators who want professional-grade audio without breaking the bank. This dynamic microphone delivers clear, natural sound with a cardioid pattern that reduces background noise, keeping your voice crisp and focused. With both USB and XLR connectivity, it works seamlessly with PCs, mixers, or audio interfaces, giving you flexibility whether you're recording, streaming, or gaming. The robust metal boom arm keeps the mic stable, while the included shock mount and windscreen minimize vibrations and plosives for clean, professional recordings. Pros: dual USB/XLR connectivity for versatile setup, cardioid pattern and 130 decibels SPL for clear, natural sound, includes boom arm, shock mount, and windscreen for stable, smooth audio, tap to mute button, and gain control for easy adjustments. Cons: USB control functions don't work in XLR mode. Optimal sound requires close mic placement, 2 to 6 inches. Number 4. PQRQP Mini Wireless Microphone for iPhone and Android. The PQRQ PSX22 is a compact, high-quality wireless lavalier microphone perfect for vloggers, streamers, and mobile creators. It captures studio-quality audio with its sensitive condenser mic and advanced noise reduction, ensuring your voice remains clear even in noisy environments. With USB-C and Lightning compatibility, it works seamlessly with iPhones, iPads, and Android devices. No apps or Bluetooth pairing required. Its built-in reverb and intuitive controls, including a mute button, let you enhance your recordings effortlessly. This mini mic boasts over 10 hours of continuous use per charge, and the included charging case adds up to 80 hours of backup power, making it ideal for long shoots or live streams. Lightweight and portable, it clips easily onto clothing and fits neatly in a pocket, giving creators freedom to move while recording. Whether for YouTube, Zoom meetings, or on-the-go vlogging, the PQRQ PSX22 is a versatile and reliable audio solution. Pros: studio-quality audio with noise reduction and reverb. Universal USB-C and Lightning compatibility, long battery life, 10 hours per mic plus 80 hours backup from case, lightweight, portable, and easy to clip on. Cons: omnidirectional mic may pick up some background noise in very loud environments, limited range when used in crowded wireless spaces. Number 3. Rode Wireless Micro Compact Dual Mic Kit for Smartphones. The RODE Wireless Micro is a premium compact wireless microphone kit designed for smartphone content creators. It comes with 2 high-quality transmitters and a USB-C receiver that connects directly to your phone, requiring no extra cables. With intelligent gain assist technology, the mic automatically adjusts audio levels to deliver clear, professional-quality sound in any environment. The included charging case provides up to 18 hours of total battery life, making it perfect for on-the-go filming. Its ultra-lightweight, discreet design makes it ideal for vlogging, interviews, or live streaming without drawing attention. The kit also includes furry windshields for outdoor use, magnetic attachments for easy placement, and plug-and-play simplicity for beginners and pros alike. Pros: dual wireless mics for versatile recording setups, automatic gain assist for consistent audio levels, compact, lightweight, and portable design. Charging case provides up to 18 hours of battery life. Cons: omnidirectional pattern may capture some background noise. Only compatible with USB-C smartphones. Number 2. Shure MV6 gaming microphone. Dynamic USB mic for streaming and gaming. The Shure MV6 is a professional-grade USB microphone built for PC gamers, streamers, and content creators. Its dynamic capsule with cardioid pickup isolates your voice while filtering out background noise, keyboard clicks, and room echoes. The real-time denoiser ensures crisp, distraction-free audio, while the tap-to-mute button and real-time gain control give you full command over your recordings or streams. Designed for convenience, the MV6 is plug-and-play via USB-C with no drivers required and includes a 3.5mm headphone jack for real-time monitoring without lag. The compact desktop stand makes it easy to set up anywhere, and its adaptive sound ensures your voice stays clear whether whispering or speaking loudly. Perfect for streaming, gaming, podcasting, or voiceover work. Pros: real-time denoiser for crystal clear audio, dynamic capsule with cardioid pattern for voice isolation, tap to mute and gain control for instant adjustments. USB-C plug-and-play with 3.5mm monitoring output. Cons: premium price point may not fit all budgets. Limited portability compared to smaller podcast mics. Number 1. DJI Mic 2TX Plus 1 RX Plus charging case, wireless lavalier microphone. The DJI Mic is a premium wireless lavalier microphone system designed for vloggers, YouTubers, and content creators who need professional audio on the go. It comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, all pre-linked and stored in a portable charging case. The system offers a long-range 250 meters, 820 feet transmission, ensuring crystal clear audio even in outdoor or large-scale recording environments. Its 15-hour combined battery life means you can record all day without interruptions. Equipped with omnidirectional microphones and magnetic clip-on design, the DJI Mic captures natural sound while remaining discreet and flexible for clothing or objects. The receiver features a 0.95-inch OLED touchscreen for easy control of volume, battery, and transmitter settings. With 8 gigabytes of internal storage supporting up to 14 hours of uncompressed 48 kHz 24-bit audio, it's perfect for interviews, live streams, podcasts, and professional video recording. Pros: long 250 meters, 820 feet, wireless range. Checkmark 15-hour battery life with charging case, magnetic clip-on design for versatile recording, OLED touchscreen for easy control and monitoring. Cons: higher price point compared to basic lavalier mics. Maybe overkill for simple indoor recordings. That's a wrap on the top 5 microphones every YouTuber should use in 2025. Which one would you pick for your setup? Or is there a mic you swear by that didn't make the list? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss the latest tips and gear for creators.